Hello, moms and dads out there. My name is Dr. Lauren Brem, and I am here to invite you to take a course that's going to teach you how to help your baby. Is your baby crying all the time after feeding? Is your baby struggling to fall asleep and take naps? Is your baby struggling to latch at the breast or even take a bottle? All of these things can be helped through bodywork. And as a bodyworker for babies for over 10 years, I do this professionally. I train other healthcare professionals how to help and work with babies. But the people who are with those babies all the time are you, the moms and dads. And there is a way that you can help your baby through touch. And the history has shown that it's possible. The latest research shows that it's possible. And I want to be a part of getting those techniques and that knowledge into your hands so that you can help your baby and soothe them and latch them better and help improve their suck swallow and all of the things that babies need to thrive. So I hope that you'll join me for this course. It is quick and compact. I know you're busy as parents and you don't need lots and lots of information, but just enough to really empower you to feel safe to use these techniques, to know the science behind these techniques, and to know where and how to touch your baby and soothe and downregulate your baby so that you can help them to eat and digest and feel great in their bodies. That's what all babies deserve. And as parents, and I know as a mother of three, you can only really relax when your baby is happy and feeling good. So I really hope you'll join me for this course, and I look forward to seeing you there and hearing all of the great stories when you apply these techniques and are able to help your baby to eat better and function and thrive. See you there.